Hey, thank you for watching. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I make a delicious and juicy burger. This is very easy to make and it's quick. So, let's start with the ingredients. First is we have the ground beef and I am using the 85% lean. The garlic salt, but if you don't have it, regular salt will do. We are going to use a barbecue sauce also, Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, and also we are going to need egg, which you're gonna see later. So these are all the ingredients that we are going to need to make the patty. So let's do the fun part. Let's play with our food in a good way anyway. Let's make a patty. So as I mentioned, we are going to use eggs. So we're going to use 2 eggs, beaten of course. And we are just going to add all that ingredients there that you see. We're going to add it in the ground beef and mix well but gently. I will put all the list of ingredients in the description box below. You can use gloves if you want to, but I prefer just bare hands. And here, if you like a uniform size of your burger, you can use a measuring cup. That measuring cup right there, it's a bit small for me because I bought a bun that is big, or bigger anyway. And I also like a thick burger, and when you put them on the grill, they also shrink because it's only 85% lean, so the fat will definitely shrink. So just pick the desired size that you like, especially if you're a big family. You can make it thinner, or if you're like me, you can make it bigger. So yep, I use 1 cup, that one cup for me. It's perfect size, and then just shape it like a patty, like a burger. So I end up making 6 patties. 5 big ones and 1 small one. So we are done making the patties. We are going to prepare our other ingredients that we are going to use. We are going to use a bacon. It's the hickory smoke flavor that I choose. Since I am not going to fry the bacon, I put them in the skewers because I love grilled bacon. It's really tasty. Plus, you're already facing the grill, so might as well cook the bacon there also. So, or if you prefer fried, why not? You can just fry this before you make the burger, so it's ready when the burger is done, because it's better to serve the burger when it's hot. And we are going to use cooking oil also. That's just for greasing the grill so the burger or the meat won't stick on. And we're going to use the avocado, tomato, lettuce, and the bun. Use the bun that you like. I am using the sweet onion. This one is really good, but pick whatever bun you like. And then also this cheese. This one here is 4 cheese. It's a combination of pepper jack cheese, chipotle, and etc. And also I am going to use Swiss. So I am going to combine all these cheeses here in our burger later. But you can use whatever cheese you like. Use your favorite one. Alright, let's start cooking. Make sure that your grill is really hot. I am using the griddle here, but sometimes I just put it right away on the grill. Anyway, make sure it's hot, and then you can grease it with the oil that I showed you earlier. And cook the burger. Just keep an eye because it catches on fire pretty quick if you don't have a griddle. That's why sometimes I love using the griddle, especially if I really didn't get the grease in the bottom of my grill, because yep, it catches on fire pretty quick, so keep an eye. So while we are cooking the burger, on the side we can grill our bacon. This is just really good. I just love grilled bacon. Cook your burger or your meat to your desired doneness. If you want medium well, or well done, it's up to you. You can use that whatever that temperature thing, but to make sure that the meat is done. But I am pretty good of estimating on figuring out when is my burger is done, so I didn't use it, so I just estimate it. Once you see a grill mark, or the first side of the meat is seared, you guys can flip it now very carefully. Now a minute or two before your burger is completely done, that is just really your preference on how long you're going to cook your burger. Before you take it out on the grill, put the cheese and let it melt there just a little bit, like a couple seconds or a minute. So the burger patty is pretty much done, and so as the bacon, as you can see. Now we are going to heat the bun on the grill. So we are just grilling it out, you guys. Yep, just warm the bun there just pretty quick, couple seconds. Now it's time to build our own burger. In any order, you can put the lettuce in the bottom or on the top. Just have fun creating your own burger. Put some tomatoes, some avocado, and you can even put some cheese if you want extra cheese. Put the grilled bacon. You can put as much bacon as you want. So here you can put as much of anything as you like, really. Extra avocado, extra tomato. You can even add pickles on the side. Just put whatever you want. Wow, look at that beauty. Isn't it beautiful? And it's delicious also. So you guys, I really hope you will give this a try. This is just really good, and it is so juicy. Look at that. So you guys, this is it for our video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye.